Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to verify documents in the TransferGo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and at the account section look for the document verification button, and here just select which document you want to verify. And for example, if you want to verify proof of funds, then you just have to add the document, which you can take a photo or upload from your files. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.